I just wanted to start a vlog because I haven't vlogged all summer. I'm trying to layer necklaces. Just got this one in the mail. I don't really know if it suits me. I like this one. This one's random. But like I kind of think they go, but they don't go with the yellow braids. Definitely not. Like braids cute. The yellow, not really. Shannon's picking me up. I think we're going grocery shopping. I don't know. Shannon and I always just like run random errands together, so that's cute of us. But that's what we're doing for like an hour or something. I really want to wear this necklace because I think it's freaking cool, and Olivia got it for me, but like I don't know how to wear it. It definitely doesn't go with the chain. Shannon's here, so I think I'm just wearing this. I can't find the necklace I'm looking for, so I'm leaving. You already know.
You already know who it is.
Maybe we will not be vlogging now.
Why is it at this angle?
Hey besties, I'm about to leave Shannon's house, but I want to take my braids out because taking my braids out is one of the most wonderful things ever, but then it looks bad.
No, it doesn't.
But I wanted to document it. Look at the length of it,
actually, I like that look.
Oh, okay, transition to the car. Oh, okay, we're leaving now.
Okay everybody, welcome back to the vlog. So today we got Smoothie King. That's what it looks like. And we already finished it.
Tell them what kind we always get.
We always get the chocolate peanut power plus. Today we got a small because Isabel wasn't supposed to drink any. But as we all know, she ended up making some. Yes, normally we get a medium though because, you know, we're both hungry people and we like to eat. Isabel, why don't you show them what you're wearing? So this is our tips for summer fashion moment.
I'm gonna like describe it.
Oh, okay. So this is gonna be like a little lavender, little chic, like peach. What do you?
You say you hate vlogging, but I'm just gonna be like, okay guys, we got a smoothie. Talk to you later. And then you're like, this is what it looks like. Whatever.
I'm making fun of them.
I know. Bye.
Last up, we have this little number 3 ball.
Do a little bit of an outfit of the day. I have this shirt because I'm going underground. I cropped it. It's pretty old. Got it from a vintage store. And then some biker shorts. Let's make some coffee. Back in my room. Laid in bed for like half an hour just now, and I am just realizing that everyone lives at the beach except for me. That's how it feels. Anyways, actually I am going to the beach next week for vacation. It's like where my family always goes. We go every summer except last summer and the summer before actually, so I haven't been in a couple years. I'm very excited. Long story short, I don't feel like cleaning my room. It's like I don't need to go out, but I don't want to be here doing nothing, so I'm gonna go to Einstein's Bagels, pick up some bagels because I have a free bagel coupon, and I'm gonna go to Callaway's because I need to buy a pot for, oh, you can't see him. This guy over here is outgrowing his pot and he needs a new one, so I'm just gonna go to Callaway's and Einstein's. I think I can do it in an hour. It is currently, hey Google, what time is it? Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 1:10 p.m.
It's 1:10. Let's see if I can do this in 2:10. By 2:10. Let's see if I can do this in an hour. Okay, look, I just went to Einstein Bagels. You can see it right there. Guess what I just did that I never thought I would do? I was always like, that's stupid, just delete. I just bought extra storage on my phone. It's only $1 a month for like 50 gigabytes, but I don't know, it seems stupid, but I did it. So, I got my bagels. They kind of were out of every flavor. So I got an everything bagel, a pretzel bagel, and a pumpernickel bagel. My family, I'm gonna talk about the beach again. At the beach, my family always makes these like pumpernickel cucumber sandwiches. So I'm gonna try and make one of those. I don't even know how to make it though, but I'll find a recipe. Anyway. You guys literally heard me just talking about how I bought more iPhone storage. I still have no, I did not understand, I guess. I have more iCloud storage, so what, I can just like put more storage in iCloud? I don't know what that means. because there's like my phone is still full of, I did just delete a ton of boomerangs though. Like boomerangs from my boomerang phase, like sophomore year. I just deleted like 200 of them. I'm going to Callaway's now though. I'm still on time. It's 1:40. I'm gonna be fine. I wanted to shout out Alejandra for always giving me coffee cake whenever I come to Einstein's because I make way too much of it. And so she always gives some for free to me. Okay, it's 1,000,000 degrees outside and I wore a stupid flannel, right? And unfortunately I wore like my least shirt-like bra. Like from here it looks fine, but I just don't think that, but do I care? I don't know. Anyways, Daniela texted me and asked if I want to go to Handles with her, which is where Olivia works, and whenever Olivia works during the middle of the day, she's bored because it's an ice cream shop, not that busy. So I said sure. But for the record, I did finish my errands by 2:10. It is now 2:20 and I'm waiting for Daniela, but there's a Kroger next to Handles and I just saw some plants outside, so I'm gonna go look at them. But I went to Callaway's. Here's the pot that I chose. Hopefully it's the right size. I didn't really like plan for that, but anyways, I'll let you know if there's anything exciting at Kroger. I'm back. Plant was cute, but it was $13, so I saw a sign that said like $6.99, so that's why I like parked. I was like, oh my god, that's a huge whatever, but not worth it. Practicing self-control because I can't take all my plants with me to college anyways. But now I'm going to get ice cream. Here's the situation, guys. The situation is that I don't want to do anything. I got home recently, maybe 20 minutes ago, ate a plain and raw everything bagel, didn't toast it, didn't put anything on it, and then I got in bed. And honestly, just want to say here, I did watch Emma Chamberlain's new video. She moved houses. I'm sure like 4 million other people will also watch that video, but if you didn't, that's what it was. Listen, hey Google, what time is it? Hey Google, what time is it?
There was a glitch. Try again in a few seconds.
My Google actually is giving up. Like, I unplugged her for a couple weeks, maybe 2 months. Now she just doesn't work anymore. There's always a glitch, trouble connecting to the internet, I don't know, but she does not want to function. So that's the deal, is that I'm going to finish my room in 2 hours because I can do that. First, I'm gonna go get some cookie dough from the freezer because I'm addicted to cookie dough. Pillsbury came out with this, and then I will clean my room. Hey, it's Wednesday. I went to the Perot Museum this morning, which is like just like a science museum for kids, but I went with Olivia and my friends, a little double date, and that was fun. We were only there for like an hour and a half and then we left. Olivia and I went thrift shopping, went to an antique store, and I got this necklace, which is blue jasper. I've been wanting one like this, and we've been to that store before, so I was like, I need to go back and get one. And they also had this necklace, this little butterfly necklace, and I love it, and it's so freaking cute. The butterfly necklace is perfect. Anyways, and then we went thrift shopping, right? And I got 3 dresses, so I'm gonna try them on for you. The fit for today was not good, actually. We have this Alice in Wonderland t-shirt, which is amazing. These blue shorts with it. Like, I don't really know if it goes, but whatever. Okay, this is the first dress. I thought it was gonna be really cute. It looks a little awkward because I'll show you full body in a second, but the like these like boob triangle things are absolutely massive. Me standing on my bed is as good as it's gonna get. Like, it's kind of cute and I think it's fun. Maybe I could wear it as a skirt though. But this top action is not quite my favorite thing. It just looks really awkward. Like, it makes my it just does not look proportional on me. But let's try the next dress. Okay, this dress might actually be like just like a really big tank top, but like tunic tank when those were in style. I think it's really cute. I'll do a full body. It does look a little bit like, is that supposed to be a dress? I don't know. But I think with the sneakers, it looks okay. Okay, I'm wearing sneakers, so I don't want to like step on my bed, but what do we think? I think it's cute. I'd probably have to wear like some biker shorts underneath. Anyways, I think it's really cute. I think it'd be great for Arizona. It's comfortable. Okay, there's one more dress. Okay, this one, kind of cool. Wasn't sure why I would need it, why I should get it, but I want to have a murder mystery party for my 19th birthday, like when I come home from college over the Christmas break with my hometown friends, and I think I could wear this. It's kind of crazy. I don't know if you guys can like see the detail, but it's like ruffly at the top. It's kind of crazy. Do you see this? Like how weird and funky it is? I love it. But look, it's like a murder mystery party. I'm like Little Miss Widow, like, you know, I love it. I would wear it as a prom dress. I told Olivia, I'm like, I need a prom like every month. Like, I love finding weird formal dresses. This is kind of awesome. I don't even know if it fits me great. I think it's so fun though. I love it. Anyways, that is my thrift haul. I'm gonna go like put on some normal clothes and freaking finish my room. Actually, I think I'm first gonna go repot this plant that I was talking to you guys about. And then maybe I'll go to Walmart to buy an SD card and then I'll come home. This is what I did yesterday. I started running errands and I got sidetracked, but I don't care. Well, it's fine. Anyways, I'll talk to you in a couple minutes.